Hey traders, so now we will learn how to generate an alert in PickMyTrade. So you just have to go to PickMyTrade.io and just log in. After you log in, you just go to this tab. And for interactive broker, you have to select IB. And for generating an alert below, we'll go to the generate alert section, and under this section you will find those details. So first, we'll select the broker that is a IB for interactive broker, and in alert type, we have two options. First one is strategy and second is indicator. An indicator is for live signals based on the indicators, like RSI or EMA. And in this video we are selecting indicator since that's most traders start with, and in instrument type of we will choose futures. Then here we have options to select symbols. So I'll go for MNQ1. In this case, let's say if you are selecting a symbol, and it's not reflecting, then you'll have to create a new symbol. And if it is not showing in the drop-down, then you will have to go to the create settings. So right now I select MNQ, and one more pro tip is you can send alerts from one chart and trade on another symbol as well. Here in alert type, here are three types of alerts: buy, sell, and close. So in case of a buy alert, what would happen? Let's say, whenever buy trade comes, it will open a long position when the alert triggers. Whenever a sell comes, it will open a short position when the alert triggers. When the close comes, it will only close any existing position, whether it is buy or sell. So now we will move to the order type. Here we see two options, LMT and MKT. MKT stands for market order. A market order is the simplest type of order and it buys or sells immediately at the current market price. Then we have LMT, which stands for limit order. Now when you choose a limit order, you see these two features available. One is the entry offset tick, and other is limit to the market weight. So entry offset tick, it lets you to adjust your limit price by a certain number of ticks above or below the market. A tick is the smallest price movement. For NQ, it's 0.25 points. The basic formula for calculating the limit price is market price plus or minus offset into the tick size. Let's say my market price is 21,891. So if I have a buy order of NQ, and I set the offset to plus 20. So, according to the formula, 21,891 minus 20 into 0.25, which is 21,891 minus 5. So the limit price will be 21,886. And if I set the offset to minus 20, so, according to the formula, 21,891 minus 20 into 0.25, which is 21,891 plus 5. So the limit price will be 21,896. So a positive offset means you're bidding lower, aiming for a better deal, but may not get filled. A negative offset means you're bidding higher, increasing your chances of getting filled faster. Now, if I have a sell order of NQ, and I set the offset to plus 20, so, according to the formula, 21,891 plus 20 into 0.25, which is 21,891 plus 5. So the limit price will be 21,896. And if I set the offset to minus 20, so, according to the formula, 21,891 plus or minus 20 into 0.25, which is 21,891 minus 5. So the limit price will be 21,886. So a positive offset means you're asking for more slower fail but a better price. A negative offset means you're asking for less, quicker fields but lower price. Now let's learn about this limit to market weight option. So let's say, if I use 5 here, and this is how the setting is right now, and if I place quantity as 6. So, according to all these settings that we have made till, my limit price is 21,886. So here I have placed a limit to market weight as 5. And if it does not move to this limit price in 5 seconds, then my limit price will get executed at market price. So this is the use of the limit to market weight. So now moving forward, the alert type was buy, and the order type is market. The quantity value I kept it as 1. And then you see this option, do you want to do a stop loss or take profit? When you choose yes, we get this option of stop loss and take profit type. So usually we support these 5 types of stop loss and take profit types, which are point or dollar from the entry price, percentage, price, ticks, and total profit or loss. So first, we'll start with a point or a dollar from the entry price. Here, you can simply enter the stop loss and take profit in points or USD dollars. For example, let's say, buy for NQ comes at 21,891, and if I want to set stop loss at $50, so I will put 2.5 in this section. So here total loss for one contract is going to be $50. When you click on this question mark here, you can see the calculations. Here it shows me, lot size for NQ is 20, and I set quantity as 1, and stop loss at $2.5, so as per the formula, my final calculation is $50. Similarly, if I want to set the take profit of $100, I will keep it as 5. And here you can see, the total profit for one contract is $100. And when you click on this question mark, it shows the complete calculation. Here, take profit I set it as 5, lot size is 20, and quantity is 1, so the final calculation is 100. Now let's move to the next part, percentage. Here you can set your stop loss and take profit in percentage. Let's say your entry price for NQ is $21,891, and you want to set the stop loss of 20%. So the system will calculate 20% of $21,891, which is around $4,378.20. So your stop loss price becomes $21,891 minus $4,378.20. That is $17,512.18. For take profit, if you want to take 100% take profit, you can set here 100. So simply it will double your entry. So as your entry price is $21,891, then your take profit will be $43,782. Now we will move to price. In this mode, you define the exact price levels for your stop loss and take profit. But here's the cool part. Instead of manually typing in numbers, you can use dynamic TradingView variables like plot 1 or plot 2. These placeholders link directly to your indicator. So, plot 1 might represent your stop loss line, and plot 2 could be your take profit. So now I will show you how you can add this from TradingView. Here I will go for NQ, then I will add any indicator. Then just go to Alert tab, and select your indicator here, and then, under the Add Placeholder option, you will get those options of plot 0, plot 1, upper and lower 2. So I have selected here, plot upper and plot lower, and it will get added in JSON automatically. Let's say you have to set this variable as a stop loss, so you can just copy it and place it here. Or if you want plot 0 as stop loss, plot 1 as take profit, then you can copy it and paste it there. So at the time of alert, whatever the value of those plot variable will be, it will send efficiently to the alerts. If you are confused about the values of those plots, you can check it here in the Pine script, or if you are buying it from any developer, you can ask them about their values. Now let's learn about the ticks. Let's say you are trading in NQ, where each tick is 0.25 points and each tick is worth $5 per contract. If you enter a stop loss of 5 ticks for one contract, so when you click on question mark, I have set stop loss of 5 ticks, lot size here is 20, minimum tick value is 0.25, and quantity is 1, so the final calculation here is $25. Similarly, when you place 10 in the take profit, so per contract my take profit will be $50, and when you click on question mark, this is the complete calculation. Those value also differs on the quantity here. Now here it is 1, so it is showing 25. And when I put here 10, this 25 turns into 250. Now we will move to total profit or loss. Here, you just say, I want to risk $100 per contract, and the system does the rest. So here I place 10 quantity, and when I set 100 here, so the total loss for one contract will be 1,000. You can also check the calculations. Similarly, when you choose 200 here, the total profit for one contract will be 2,000. So now after setting everything up, you see this account selection. So let's say here it says, would you like to add multiple accounts or select a specific account for trade execution? So you can just select yes or no based on your requirement. And when you click on Generate Alert, my current IB account, which is connected, it will be shown in the dropdown. And when you click on Add Alert, the alert will be generated. So here you can see the alert is generated and those are my JSON value. So let me explain this part. Currently alert is generating for one account, which I have added. You can also take those details here. So this will be my token number. This one is my connection name, my account name and quantity multiplier. So now here I will explain about quantity multiplier. Let's say when you click on the add account option, you see these 3 options are available. First is PickMyTrade connection name. So whatever the connection name is for here we are doing it for interactive broker. So it is IB1. And then you'll see the account name of IB. Then we have this quantity multiplier. It helps you to scale use towards size. So when you go up onto the previous details, we found that we choose quantity value as 10. That was our base quantity. So when you keep your base quantity as 10, but you want your quantity multiplied to be 10 times of that base value. So you can just select a 10, that means instead of placing 10 contracts, the system will automatically multiply 8 and place 100 contracts. Similarly, if I change my quantity value to 1 and my quantity multiplier is 10, it will actually place 10 contracts for me. So I will click here, so my JSON will get copied. Then you will go to your TradingView. Then you will go to this option. Then you have to click on the plus icon. Here in settings, here you have to select your strategy you are using. And here in this message box, you have to paste your copied JSON. Now you will go back to PickMyTrade and click here on copy webhook URL. And in the notification section, you have to paste this URL here. And when you click on create, your alert will be generated. Now, as my chart is for 1 minute time frame, my alert is generated for 1 minute. So, by mistake you generated it for 1 minute and want to change it for 5 minutes, so in this case, you can just select this edit option, and in the interval, you have the option to change it. Now I can change it to 5 minutes and just save it. So whenever your alert gets generated, you will be notified here in the log section. And if you want to add multiple accounts, you just need to keep those options the same. And just click on Add Account, and just fill in all those details here and click on Add Account. And when you generate an alert, your alert will get generated for all those added accounts.